What's up everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. And in today's video, I'm going to be tackling my laundry. Now, laundry is one of those things, if you've been in my channel before, you know I really don't like laundry, but it's just something that needs to get done, especially when your clothes start to run low. You know it's time to do laundry. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. So when I know I'm going to be tackling laundry for the day, I like to start early in the morning. That means right after I shower, I need to go ahead and throw in a load. And that's just kind of what I'm doing here, because if I wait till later in the afternoon, we all know that laundry is not going to get finished. I'm going to have taking lots of breaks, and I'm going to be struggling to really fold the load that's finished. So one tip that I've learned is just start early, get it done as quickly as I can, and move on. So if you guys have been to my channel before, you guys know I'm high on getting myself together throughout the day, especially for being a stay-at-home mom. I am not a fan of laying around in my pajamas all day, because if I do, that lazy demon just creeps right in and I get absolutely nothing done. So that is what I'm doing now. I'm going to get myself together and just get my day started. Okay, so I have a little bit of a confession. It takes me about an hour, maybe an hour and a half, depending on the day, to get dressed. And I say this because I have a lot of children and someone always needs something. Usually what I like to do is make them breakfast in the morning and then go ahead and get myself dressed. That means take a shower, do my hair, do my makeup. But for some reason, I'm always interrupted and they need something. Maybe they're fighting, or someone needs to watch TV, or they need more food. I don't know. Let me know down in the comments. Do you guys deal with the same thing, or is it just me? Okay, so typical me, I am definitely going to have an outfit change, just because that's just kind of what I do during the mornings. I don't really know what I really want to wear, especially because I just had a baby, so things are not fitting me, or, I'm just having, I don't want to say insecurities, but I'm just not feeling super confident in every outfit, but I am feeling pretty confident in a lot of my outfits. So I like to put on something that's a little flattering and that makes me happy, and that's just kind of what I did here. I'm gonna go ahead and put the load of laundry into the dryer and then fold everything that was in the dryer prior. So I just wanted to mention to you guys, everything that I'm usually using is in the description below, because I've been getting a few comments, just kind of asking what I'm using. Of course, I don't mind answering your questions. I will always answer them as best as I can. But I am using the Branch Basics to actually do the load as a detergent. And then I'm using the seventh generation fabric softener in the lavender scent. Just to kind of switch things up a little bit, and that's just kind of been the one that I felt that was, the healthiest or the most non-toxic one. I am going to be trying a new detergent. I just am waiting for it to come in. So while I'm doing laundry, I'm going to go ahead and clean up a little bit in the living room. Really, I'm not really doing anything. I'm just making sure that the floor is organized and clean. The table is clean because we spend a lot of time in here, and I just don't want my clean clothes, if they happen to fall on the floor, I don't want them getting dirty. So it's something in my mind about that. So I'm just going to straighten up a little bit, and then we're going to tackle this laundry. So if you haven't already, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I'm a lot more active over there, and I would love to get to know you guys a little bit better. I have put it on the screen for you guys as well as in the description. And then as you guys can see, I am just Netflix and chilling right now because your girl has a clean house, laundry is going, and I have no regrets. I'm going to be honest, some days I have to do a lot more, but on this particular day, I just had to chill. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure you guys also click that bell button so you guys don't miss out on any further uploads. So moving right along, I'm going to go ahead and switch the loads out and fold everything that needs to be folded. And another thing that I wanted to let you guys know is that I didn't end up actually finishing the loads of laundry that I wanted to, actually for a couple of days, and I will explain why. I ended up taking the kids out for a little bit of walk, or I would say just let them ride their scooters, and it was so hot outside, I ended up developing a migraine headache. And I don't know if you guys know anything about that, but when you develop them, you can, if you're like me, you can pretty much be out for the entire day. Of course, I can't be out like that because I have children and I'm a stay-at-home mom, so I do have to, still take care of the kids. But for the most part, I couldn't really do anything. I did give them lunch and stuff like that, like their basic needs. But they know when mommy gets a headache, they need to just kind of sit down, at least until their dad gets home, at least the best that they can. They are all under the age of 8, so it's really hard to tell a child to sit down, but they are extremely understanding, and they know that I'm not feeling well, so they do let me rest a little bit. But I was, like I said, I was out for the rest of the day, and I didn't end up working myself because I'm not going to do that to myself. I definitely listen to my body. I have figured out what my triggers are, at least some of my triggers, and I am still in the process of kind of figuring out the root of the problem. But I'm not trying to do it with drugs. So if you know anything about me, you know that I am trying to do things naturally and as best as I can. So now that this video is coming to an end, I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know down in the comments what you guys are doing while watching this. Are you cleaning along with me? Are you eating? Are you getting ready for bed? Whatever it may be, let me know down in the comments. And until next time, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys all soon. Bye.